We are talking about inequalities in one triangle, and we want to recognize and apply properties of inequalities to the measures of the angles of a triangle, and we want to recognize and apply properties of inequalities to the relationships between the angles and the sides of the triangle. So we went to GeoGebra, and in the search bar at the top, we typed in visualizing triangle inequalities, and then we selected the one that was created by Eddie Tang, and we were working on that one. And then we want to use that to complete this chart. So here are the sides. We want the small side to be A. We want the large side or the medium side to be B. And we want the large side to always be C. So the first one we have here is it says A, make 2. So we change this slide bar. We make that 2. We make B5 and we make C6. So on the chart over here, it says it doesn't make a triangle. And in this case, it does make a triangle. So yes, it did make a triangle. And it says the small side plus the medium side. So small side plus the medium side, 2 plus 5 is 7. The longest side is C, in this case is 6. And then we want to say, how does 7 compare to 6? 7 is greater than 6. So 7 is greater than 6. Next, we want to leave the first two sides alone, and we want to change the longest side to 7. So I'm going to use my purple slide bar there. And does it make a triangle? In this case, no, it doesn't make a triangle. What does it make? It makes line segment AB with point C on line segment AB. So does this make a triangle? The answer is no. 2 plus 5 is still 7. The largest side is now 7. And 7 is equal to 7. Next, we have 2 and 7 as the small sides. So we're going to leave that one as 2. We're going to change this one to 7. And the largest side is 8.5. Does it make a triangle? As we can see there, yes, it does make a triangle. 2 plus 7 is 9. The large side is 8.5. So 9 is greater than 8.5. Next, we have 3 and 4. So change the smallest side to 3, the medium side to 4. And we have the side C's at a 5. Does it make a triangle? Yes, it does. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 is the largest side. 7 is greater than 5. So we're starting to see a little pattern emerge. Our two small sides don't change, but this time we're going to increase the largest side to 9. And in this case, does this make a triangle? No, it doesn't. There's where the distance from B is 3 and the distance from A is 4. There's no point where those two distances could meet to form a vertice. So this does not form a triangle. Does this form a triangle? No. 3 plus 4 is still 7. Our largest side is 9. 7 is less than 9. Next, we have 3 and 5. So keep the small side 3, change the medium side to 5, and make C8. And we say, does this make a triangle? And this does not make a triangle. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is the larger side, and 8 is equal to 8. And the last one, 4, 4, 4. Hopefully we realize that this is an equilateral triangle, so this will definitely be a triangle. We change that to 4, change that to 4, and we change the larger side to 4. So this does make an equilateral triangle. So yes, 4 plus 4 is 8. Our largest side is 4, and 8 is greater than 4. This is supposed to be a blue 4 there. Okay, what did you observe when you added when A plus B was greater than C? So was greater than. So here, 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 here. Every time that happened, a triangle was formed. So when the two small sides added together was greater than the larger side, the sides made a triangle. Okay, what did you observe when A plus B was equal to C? Okay, so when it was equal, uh, so example, we had 3, 5, and 8. So we can change this real quick to 3, 5, and 8. And we can see that it made a line segment with a point in between. So when the two small sides were equal to, the greatest side, were equal to the greatest side, the sides formed a line segment. And then what did you observe when A plus B was less than C? So when A plus B was less than C, we see that right here, no triangles formed. The sides were not even close enough to connect. So when the two sides added together were less than the larger side, no triangle was formed. So all these things put together Okay. Use your observations from above to complete the triangle inequality theorem. Triangle inequality theorem. For any triangle, the sum of the two shortest sides must be blank than the length of the longest side. And this one is going to be greater than. So if the two small sides added together are greater than the longest side, then a triangle will be formed with those three given sides.